Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Aliya Monique. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, I am Aliya Monique and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and join the team. We're about to do an unboxing video, so let's get right to it.
I can control your body. I can control your body.
So my first order that I got was, we'll start with makeup. So I ordered from Sephora. Alright, I got a whole bunch of stuff. Okay, so let's go. They shipped it to me a little late. It's from the spring sale, I think. Yeah, I think this is from the spring sale. So I'm gonna first start with the Huda Beauty setting spray. I got the Resting Boss Face, and this is how it looks. It comes in this cute bottle. It's extra hold, so it's like waterproof setting spray, extra matte. So I got this one because I've been trying to do the matte look, even though I'm not matte right now. I got this, and then I got the Urban Decay Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. I don't know why the box looks like this. I think it was in their warehouse, okay, messed up. And I got the travel size one because most of them are travel size, okay, because I got a couple of stuff and I want to try out some new products. For my foundation, I got NARS the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color Trinidad. I forget. Yeah, Trinidad. And I think that they're going out of stock because this was the last bottle. I don't know. Anastasia, their foundations, well, not that their foundations have been weird. I feel like they have been being weird with dropping. Like, I used to love their sticks and now they are not selling them anymore. Anyway, moving on, I got the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I got the small kind. I got in medium. Yeah, I got in medium deep. I'm not gonna open everything because I know this is gonna be a long ass video. You see, medium deep. I got it in travel size just to see if I like it. Moving on, I got the powder in translucent honey as well. Excited about this. I'm gonna put this one underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna put the brown under my contour. You feel me? Yes. Then I got the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It's my first time using this. I heard great reviews on this, and the color I got was Honey, which is probably too light, but whatever. Let's see. I love this applicator. Oh no, this might be perfect. This is what Honey looks like, which y'all might say is too light, but it's giving off a good little sheen. Then I got the Fenty True Matte Primer. It's the Pro Filter Mattifying Primer, obviously in the travel size because I've also been traveling a lot. So that's really why I noticed that I had a hard time packing all my makeup. So I've been trying to, like, you know, be a little more. So I got the, oh my god, I forgot I got this stuff, yo, it's been so long. I got the Fenty gloss. I got, which one is this? This one is Gloss Bomb, but I think it's called Fenty Glow. I got, you can see. Ooh, I might put it on now. Ooh. Yes, y'all, comment below how you feel about that. Let me know if you have this. Let me know if you guys have tried the cream ones too. I would love to know you guys' review because I haven't gotten any of those. After that, Hutie, so I got this one and I got this one. I don't know if you can see the box. It's the white one. This is the Glow Cocoa and Hydrating Mist. Yes. So I've been loving the mattifying, but you know, we can never go without a little good glow. Glow. So I got that. I got the Milk Hydro Grip Setting Spray. I heard good reviews. This is girl I watch on Instagram. She uses this. She's also a Pisces. I really love her. Obviously I got the travel just to see if I like it. You know, I feel like I'm gonna like the Huda Beauty one, so that's why I didn't get a travel. The other gloss bomb that I got by Fenty is the clear one. Did it break? Oh, I hope it didn't break because it's kind of like gloss coming off. I don't know, they treated my package like whatever, y'all. It was not doing me right, honey. Let me or it was just leaking, one of the two, honey. But let me show you how this one looks. And you know, this is just a clear. I love me a good little clear gloss, so I got that. I don't know why it's so sticky on the outside. I'm a little irritated about that, but whatever. Then I got me the travel size, the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer to go with the setting spray. Of course, you have to get the primer to go with the setting spray just to make sure it really works, you know. And this is that, super cute. Let me know if you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using the products that I bought, and I would love to. I got the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, which I use all the time. I'm pretty sure this is the setting, the travel size one. Yeah, this is the travel size one because I have a bigger version of this one. I don't know why I got the travel size. Probably being cheap, y'all, because this shit add up, okay? I got the Hula Benefits, the Hula powder in Toasted. I feel like this is gonna it's gonna look so good. It kind of looks light on camera, but it's gonna look so freaking good on my skin. Honey, I'd be like, I don't care what mirror it is. It could be a baby small mirror. I'm still gonna check myself out in it. And I got the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio. I got the one that has suede, espresso, and cinnamon. This is deep. This is probably gonna be perfect. Okay, I don't feel like tearing this thing open, so comment below if you want me to do a tutorial with all of the stuff that I bought. I didn't get any eyeshadow, but I have enough eyeshadow. So for free, the free items that I got a little mascara for the free stuff. I got these vitamin C brightener serum. I'm excited to use this because I've been looking for a good brightener serum. And I got me some scrunchies. Let me show you. I'm excited about this because this is gonna be hella cute. Look how cute they are. Oh, y'all, I dropped everything. This is so cute. Okay, on to the next thing, because I don't want this video to be like 38 minutes long, you know. I bought a watch. I bought a nice watch for myself, y'all. I'm not gonna tell you how much it costs. You go check out the website. It's called JBW thumbnail. Oh, then I might do a real thumbnail. I wore it once this weekend for Memorial Day. Good. Yes, okay. So I got this watch. Isn't it super cute? I love it. It obviously doesn't fit my wrist because my wrist is really small, but I'm gonna go take it in, watch my vlog. You'll catch me going in. It comes with a serial number, making sure, you know, so I can register the watch. It comes with a coupon code, And it comes with this cute ass luxury box to keep it in. You feel me? So that's another thing that I bought for myself. I got a PR package from... So I got... So I got this cute bra, and I'm not gonna, I don't think I should try it on for y'all, but I might. So if you see a little on the side, be super excited that I did a lot of work for y'all, okay? So I got this bra. Hold on, let me lift up a little bit. So I got this bra. Isn't it super cute? Cutesy. I don't got no boyfriend or nothing, so I actually just ended my subscription with Fenty app. I'm like, why am I buying this stuff for myself? I don't need it, so I don't need any extra clothes, you feel me, until I move into a bigger place. I also got these cute leggings that I'm probably gonna wear to work out. Hold on. And I might try it on for y'all. Y'all never know. I might really give y'all so y'all can see how it looks on me. And then at the bottom it has the print. Super cute. Super, super cute. And those are the two things that I got from Fenty Savage. Those are my last two subscriptions. If you want me to show you everything that I have from them, comment below. I'd love to do like a little try on haul of all of the things that I have from Fenty Savage. Now we get into the good stuff. Okay. So these, I don't know why I didn't open this off camera. These are a pair of shoes from Sephora, the black owned company. Ooh, take 25. This is super cute. So they come in this lemonade box, which you know what that means. You know that lemonade's the brand. That's where they're getting the shoes from. I wish that they would save money and make their own boxes for their own shoes, you know. Even though it's not coming from them, it should still be in their box, if you know what I mean. But look at how cute. Let me take this part out. Aren't these so cute, y'all? Oh my god, I love them so much. I'll probably do a thumbnail with me putting them on and me walking around being all cute in them. I'm a size 7. They literally went in stock, out of stock, went in stock, out of stock. I was trying to get the black ones. If you want me to do a review on the black ones, please let me know. Yeah, these are everything. These are like the Tom Ford shoes. So if you saw the Tom Fords, you know, the ones that have been out of stock and he won't restock them for the girls, we gotta settle for these. The lookalikes. Boo! Okay, and my last thing that I got me a new wig from Wet Kiss. That sound right, but that don't sound right, if you know what I mean. Okay, it's called West Kiss. I got me a new wig. I'm excited about this. Please comment below if you want me to do a wig tutorial, me putting this wig on, me dyeing the lace, me plucking it, me freshly doing it, because I would love to, which ASAP. Hey babe, comment below right now. Let me see if I can open this for you guys really quickly. Let's say ooh, so this is how the wig comes. Ooh, and it comes with a wig cap. It comes with a little dust bag to put the hair in, which is super cute. Oh, I got hair on my lip. They must have knew I was a dark skinned girl, honey, because this is brown. Or they just handing them out. That's funny. The wig is, ooh, they don't play games about their wigs, honey. They come packed well. They got a foam inside. Look at the foam to keep the shape of the lace. I love it. Ooh, I don't need a long one. I have this one. I'm gonna make this one a middle part because this one's a side now. This is gonna be my permanent side part wig for the girls. And then I got this one for y'all. How you like? Gag ears. I'm a finance bitch. You feel me? This is so cute. Yes, okay, let me put her back the way she was. I'm not ready for her yet. And this is an HD lace. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. How you like HD. It's kind of thick, but it's way thinner than the one I have on my head now. If you know, you know. All right, y'all, so that wraps up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. Let me know if you would like me to unbox kind of everything that I buy. I do order a lot, a little a shopaholic, but don't kill me. I like clothes and stuff. Excuse me, sorry for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I would love some video recommendations on what you would like me to see. Please follow me on Instagram so you can see everything that I post, because I probably post there first before I get to the YouTube. You know, I think Instagram sees everything. You guys see like stuff weeks late. But I love you guys so much, and please join the family, like, so we can be sisters and brothers, but mostly sisters. Okay, so yes, comment below, follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be right here, and like, write me, tell me how much you enjoyed the videos, and if you don't enjoy them, tell me why you don't enjoy them so I can make them better, because they're for y'all and I want to please y'all. Bye.
Ready to control her. I don't need to say anymore. I just truly wanna hold you just like clothes. I'm a folder. Body temperature.